Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to unsubscribe from all channels at once on YouTube mobile app. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin and first open up YouTube app. Then towards the bottom of the screen, tap Add Subscriptions, and then right here tap Add All to show up all your subscriptions. At that page, all you have to do is hit right here at Manage, and now you are able to unsubscribe from any channel. Unfortunately, there are no unsubscribe all button, but you can easily unsubscribe from any of the channels in that simple way. Just swipe left on some channel to bring up unsubscribe option, then hit on unsubscribe, and I have just unsubscribed from a channel. And in the same way you can unsubscribe from multiple channels. Just keep doing that actions. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my YouTube tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and I see you in the next one.